Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Secret Labubu from the Big Into Energy collection. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with the curve for the top. Then from the ends, let's curve it down and bring it in. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside, and near the top, let's draw a V-shaped point down for the fur. And let's draw a zigzag line out on both sides. And now let's continue working our way down. And stop on the bottom corners like this. Next, we're going to hop inside and draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves. And then a large U-shaped curve underneath each one. Now let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw a large oval towards the bottom. And then add a smaller one inside at the top. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop in between and let's draw the nose. We'll start with a line across. And then let's add two curves down underneath, meeting at a point. Now let's hop down again and let's draw the mouth. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw a curve down and then bring it back up on the other side. Now underneath for the teeth, let's start in the center and let's draw a V shape out on both sides. And then work our way out. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop to the top and draw the ears. Let's start in the center and let's draw a large curve up and bring it down on the left. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve down on the inside. Then in the center, let's draw a large teardrop shape. And lastly, at the bottom, let's draw 3 curves up along the inside edge. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on both sides, and we're going to draw a curve down and bring it in. Now let's hop on top and let's draw a small angle for the other side of the arms. Now let's draw a point up for the first finger. And then 3 more going down. Then inside, let's draw a zigzag line across. And that's it for the arms. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and in for the sides of the body. Then let's hop in between and let's draw a curve across. And then 2 lines down underneath. Now for the feet, let's draw a curve out and back in from the outside. And then 2 more bumps to close it off. And then let's hop in and let's draw a zigzag line across. Lastly, on the body, let's add a few bumps like this. And that's it for this Labubu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!